How to add friends in Zynga Poker. Welcome to Glitzo and let's get right into this video. Firstly, you need to launch your Zynga application in your mobile device. You can easily download from your Play Store or App Store. Make sure that your Zynga Poker application is up to date. Tap Open your application. Once it is completely loaded, at the very top, you need to navigate to the setting gear option or the setting icon at the top, or just click on the two-person icon at the bottom to invite your friends. If you are not connected to your Facebook, you need to firstly connect to it. In order to do so, you need to tap on the setting gear icon at the top. Now starting off, firstly, connect your Facebook. For that, select the option of Log in to Facebook. Once you connect with your Facebook, you can easily play your Zynga Poker with your Facebook friends. If you are already connected, just tap on the two-person icon. Then share your invite code or invite link with them. You can also join Zynga Poker session with your friends by tapping on the invite link or entering the invite code. By this way, you'll be able to play your Zynga with your friends. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.